Cursive lowercase h. We begin with undercurve, loop back once you make it to the top line, slant, overcurve, slant, undercurve. Undercurve, loop back, slant, overcurve, slant, undercurve. Undercurve, loop back, slant, overcurve, slant, undercurve. As you begin to develop your own style, you will start to see how wide or how slender you make your loop back. You do want to make sure that you don't make it too wide, otherwise it will take over your letter. After you feel comfortable practicing the letter H, then try out hi. H, I. Practice hot. H, O. Connect up top for the T. Make sure you reach that top line. Then lift up your pencil to cross your T. Home. H, O, M, 3 humps, E. Don't come back down when you're connecting that O to the M. You lead straight into that first overcurve hump in the M. You also have the word inch that I'd like for you to practice. I, N, 2 humps, C, H. Then come back and dot your I. And if I were to give myself my own feedback, I would say that this H in my loop back is starting to become a little bit too wide. So just be aware of that. I also want you to practice when. W, H, E, N. And for your final word, I want you to practice what. W, H, A, T. W's can be a bit tricky. Use that check stroke to your advantage. Lead straight into the loop back of your H.